Sonamura Police, in a successful joint operation with the Border Security Force, have apprehended an individual identified as Babul Mia from the Srimantapur area on charges of possessing an illegal firearm and cartridges. Babul Mia, a resident of the Srimantapur Gram Panchayat's Bujgur area, was arrested following a raid conducted based on confidential intelligence regarding illegal weapon possession. The joint police and BSF team conducted the search operation at Babul Mia's residence in Bujgur. During the initial stage of the raid, Babul Mia and his wife, Morshida Begum, reportedly resisted the officers, leading to a physical struggle with the police team. However, due to the swift action and coordination of the police and BSF personnel, both individuals were eventually subdued and detained. The search of the premises led to the recovery of one firearm and undisclosed number of cartridges. The successful recovery of the illegal weapon marks a significant effort by the security forces to curb the flow of illicit arms in the border regions. Police sources stated that Babul Mia and Morshida Begum were taken into custody and further investigation is underway to determine the source of the weapon, its intended use, and whether the accused has any links to organized criminal activities. Reported by Pranav from Agatla, Chini, Khorang.